Allama Arshad Misbahi Sahab, we talk about Ghaus Azam, and what does actually Ghaus Azam mean? Because there's a couple of definitions on that, and often it is distorted, and some of the other firqas, school of thoughts, they talk about, when we say Ghaus Azam, they're saying that he's the giver, he's the biggest giver of, and why, I mean, it's shirk and things like that, they do talk about. And the other thing is Sultan Ul Auliya, just as the brother Muhammad has just asked, and also brother Wajid from Yorkshire asked that, is he the Sultan of Auliya? Is he Sultan of Auliya till Hazrat Imam Mahdi alayhi salam, or in 900 years have we had, just like we have like the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said that every 100 years there'll be a mujaddid. So is there every 100 years is there going to be a Sultan ul Auliya, or how is that? So if you could kindly answer them both questions, please.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Sadly, we live in a time when titles have become very cheap. There are certain personalities in the history of Islam that as soon as you say the title, your mind reflects to that individual. For example, if I say to you, Hujjatul Islam, the world knows I'm talking about Imam Ghazali rahmatullahi ta'ala. If I say Ghaus Azam, the world knows I'm talking about Abdul Qadir Jilani rahmatullahi alayhi. If I say Ala Hazrat, the world knows I'm talking about Imam Ahmad Raza Fazil Barelvi rahmatullahi ta'ala. We are living in times when titles have become so cheap, and we do not fear to give titles to those who truly do not deserve it. And we made the title so cheap that, for example, if we say this man is a Ghaus, then the world question, if he is a Ghaus, then Ghaus Azam must be a little bit better than him, that's it.
Allah.
That's why we have to be very careful. We have to give the true description to one who actually deserves it. Look at the word Ziyaul Ummah. Subhanallah. People who are in the field of deen and who know the past history of the Indian subcontinent, they know this is a title of Hazrat Pir Karam Shah Sahib. So we have to be very careful. Sultanul Auliya is Ghaus Azam. Sultan means king, and Auliya is the plural of the word Wali, the king of the Auliya. That is Ghaus Azam radiyallahu ta'ala. And it has been agreed upon that this is a muqam and martaba, status and position of Ghaus Azam radiyallahu ta'ala until the coming of Sayyidina Imam Mahdi alayhi salam. This title will remain with him. And he is of that caliber that anybody who is blessed with wilayat after him, it is he who certifies it. Ghaus Azam radiyallahu ta'ala an's khidmat and ghulami is entitling one to achieve the muqam of wilayat and of being the friend of Allah. So I would request my audience, my honorable brothers and sisters, please, for the sake of your own deen, I know of so-called shuyukh who do not know even the alif ba of deen, who are given titles, Allahu Akbar, Ghaus Waqt, Qutb Waqt, and Allah knows what else.
They also been talked about mujaddids nowadays.
Oh yes, subhanallah.
There's big naras going of mujaddids.
Yes, everywhere. So we have to be careful.
We have to be careful. Yes. Jazakumullah.